Chloe. Tomorrow is going to be Valentine's Day, so I decided to make some cards for my friends. So I'm going to start with this one. I put the girls in hearts first and the boys balloons. I picked the color and then and then I write a word inside and I put the name on top and I write, we all have that one friend. And I write it, who is all quiet and serious, my BFF. And that's the first one. So this is the first one I made. This is maybe the last one I just did. I finished it because it was kind of broken. And so it says, we all have that one friend, Kamora, who likes to draw them. This is what I draw for her. If you can't see it, I can show you closer. This is the next one. It's Chloe. We all have that one friend, Chloe, who is the nicest girl. And then I draw this for her. I put some letters for her. And the next girl is Maya. For her, I write Maya, who has the most beautiful blonde hair, and I wrote her a song, and I wrote la 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 la. It's repeating the same thing. And now it's Madison. So Madison, I write, we all have that one friend, Madison, who I want to know more about, and then I put Mr. B clues mark because I want to know more about her. And the next one is Shaira. We all have that one friend, Shaira, who likes to borrow everything. And he said, can I use it? And I drop it. Girls say, okay. And the next one, the last one is, we all have that one friend, Layla, who likes to play things. So I write, her is here and she's playing with two more kids. And the next one is, we all have that one friend, Yusuf, who likes to collect crackers. And I got the cracker with some sprinkles around it. If you forgot what they look like, here are the pictures of them. I put them all back. I hope you liked the video. See you later.